So a recent video on Orange Cat TikTok, you guys love that video so much, but along with that, a lot of you guys had so much confusion about the steps like how to create prompts, videos for Orange Cat TikTok videos. So I had to create the updated version of the Orange Cat. But in this one, instead of using multiple tools to create different output, we're going to be using a single tool for literally doing everything. Like we'll be doing text to image generation, image to video generation, we'll be doing editing, everything in just one tool. So yeah, make sure to watch this video till the end because this would be the most convenient method for you guys to create Orange Cat or any other AI niche video with the help of just one tool. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Alright guys, so the first step is you need to go ahead and get the prompts for your Orange Cat TikTok images, right? So for that, you don't need to worry about it at all because in our website, aizenstudios.com, we have provided you the entire prompts for Orange Cat TikToks, right? So for that, you're going to jump to the website of aizenstudios.com, go to the blog section right over here. And in that, we have different blogs for different kind of TikToks, like niches that you can go ahead and get started right now. But for today's video, we're going to jump to this how to create Orange Cat TikTok video step-by-step tutorial. And for that, we have provided all the prompts right over here, you guys, right? So this was series of the prompts for the Orange Cat TikTok for the video that we provided earlier, and you guys loved it so much. So from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and copy all of these prompts. Okay, so I want to go ahead and basically create another variation, like another episode for this Orange Cat TikTok for this today's video. So for that, I'm going to jump into ChatGPT and simply provide all of my prompts right over here. And over here, I'm going to say, so these are some prompts of Orange Cat TikTok. And now I want to create another episode of that cat doing something else, which will contain series of prompts, like 8 to 9 prompts. So kindly give me those prompts, please, right? So ChatGPT is going to provide you with a theme idea of cat's lazy day off, right? So that would be quite accurate because you guys know you see a lot of these kind of TikToks all over the internet, right? So yeah, now we have cat waking up in a cozy bed, cat brushing its teeth, cat reading a book on a couch. So yeah, and we have all the prompts for the desired output right over here, right? So yeah, for that, we're gonna go ahead and copy all of these prompts one by one and come into our FlexClip. So from here, this would be our next step, which will be creating images with the help of FlexClip, right? So over here in the FlexClip text to image generation, we're going to paste our prompt right over here. And then for the style, we're going to choose as none. And for the model, make sure you choose ultra, and the ratio would be 9:16 and image count would be 2. So before we proceed, you guys, I really want to tell you like FlexClip is a really worthy tool, you guys. Like if you want to go ahead and get started with these kind of TikToks, create your own niche. So you definitely go ahead and check out FlexClip. It has its own text to image generation model. It has its own text to video model and lots of other AI model as well. So yeah, make sure to check out FlexClip. I will provide the link down in the description for you guys, right? All right, so back to the video. We're going to copy our prompt and let's generate the result. Alright, so for that, it basically provided me with these outputs. So you guys can see the output looks really, really good. So we have our large, round, fluffy orange tabby cat with bold stripes. And, you know, it looks really, really good. Just exactly the way that we created, our previous output. So yeah, this one is really accurate. And similarly, I'm going to go ahead and do the same for all of the rest of my prompts right over here. Like copy and paste over here. The style will be none. Model will be ultra. Ratio would be 9:16, obviously, because we are creating TikTok content. Image count will be 2 for more variation. Let's generate this once again. All right, so for that, it provided me with this. So we have now our large, round, fluffy orange cat, which is brushing his teeth. So yeah, for that, the output is really, really good. So we can go ahead and pick the best output from here, which we like the most. Alright, similarly, I basically went ahead and copy all of my prompts in the FlexClip, and now I have all of my generations. And from here, I can simply go ahead and download my most favorite ones. Alright, so here we go, guys. Here are all of our images that I just created with FlexClip. You guys can see all of them are looking really, really good. So now we can go ahead and use these images to create amazing video clips for us, you guys, right? Alright, so that moves to our next step, which is image to video generation. So for that, we're going to go to the homepage of FlexClip once again and go to this image to video model. And from here, it's only asking me to upload my image. So I'm going to go ahead and upload my first image right over here of our orange cat, which was laying on the bed like we just woke up. So in the prompt section, it is really important. You have to be very precise with the prompts, you guys, right? So you don't have to provide like excessive information because it's going to mess up your output really really easily. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take the heading of my every prompt that ChatGPT provided me. So that is cat waking up in a cozy bed. I'm going to copy this, paste it in my FlexClip prompt section. The mode would be professional. Make sure to select that, and duration, we're going to go ahead and go with 5 seconds because we don't want our outputs to get boring night. Like we don't want too much long outputs, you guys, right? So yeah, now let's just go ahead and generate this. And similarly, I'm going to go ahead and do for all of the rest of my images as well. So this was our second prompt, cat brushing its teeth. So I'm going to provide my image into that, which would be this one, and paste our prompt, which is cat brushing its teeth. All the rest settings would be same. Let's generate this as well. And similarly, I'm going to upload my third image, copy the prompt of cat reading a book on a couch, paste it right over here. Let's generate this. And now we're going to do the fourth one. And similarly, we're going to do for all of the rest of my images to create clips for those images, like video clips, you guys, right? Okay, so once it is done, this is our first output, a video clip of cat waking up in a cozy bed. And this is our next one, cat brushing its teeth. Okay, looks really good. Then we have our third one, cat reading a book on a couch. And yeah, the generations are really good. We don't see any crazy animation. We don't see any like morphing effect, distortions. So yeah, FlexClip is a really worthy tool, you guys. Like it is only a one tool in which you can go ahead and create your images as well as animate those images later on. So yeah, it is really good. Yeah, like take a look at this one, looks really good. And then the last one, cat sleeping under the stars. So yeah, it looks absolutely perfect. So yeah, from here I'm gonna go ahead and download all of the clips one by one. Okay, so here I have all of my clips downloaded as well. So yeah, our third step is completed, which is creating videos out of FlexClip. So now we're going to jump into our fourth step, which is editing or compiling all of the clips together. So for that, I'm going to jump into FlexClip once again because it also provides the online editor for you guys as well to combine all of your clips. So yeah, over here in the homepage, I'm going to click on create a video. So it's going to open our editing tool. Like it's a very intuitive interface. And from here, I'm going to simply go ahead and import all of my clips that I created with FlexClip. Simply go ahead and drag and drop it right over here. Alright guys, so once all of my clips are uploaded, so I'm going to drag every single one of them to the timeline. Here is the first one. Then our second one was brushing the teeth. Then I'm going to copy, paste the third one. Then the fourth one, I'm going to do it after this clip. And we have this one, the cat is taking a nap. And then the fifth one with popcorn. And then we have this one, which was of puzzle. And the last one was sleeping at night. Okay. So I'm going to simply go ahead and copy paste all of my clips over here in the timeline. But before that, you guys can see the resolution. The format is really weird because we have selected 16:9. So make sure you select 9:16 for that because it is our TikTok content. Yeah. So now that looks really good. And after that, from here, a very cool tip, you guys, make sure to just increase the speed of all of the clips, make it 2x so that they can look really good. Because I have noticed in all of the TikTok videos of Orange Cat, like all of clips are in 2x, like in very fast format, right? So I'm gonna select this, go to speed, and simply do 2x. And I'm gonna do the same for all of my clips one by one, you guys, right? All right, so once all of my clips are done, so now what is our next step? We need to go ahead and import, like add some background music. And for Orange Cat TikToks, we know we only have one kind of music that always goes by, and that is this Eucharist Undeath funeral march music, right? So yeah, I'm gonna attach the link of that down in the description as well for the music. So make sure to check it out as well. So yeah, let's just hear this out. So yeah, this is that music, you guys, right? So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and simply drag and drop this into my files in FlexClip as well. And simply from here, drag it into the audio section. All right, that looks good. And now from here, this is how our video looks like. So yeah, something is still missing in this video, which is sound effects. So we can add like cat sound effect that is waking up, like yawning sound effect. We can add like brushing the teeth sound effect, a reading book, planning, watering the plant one, the sleeping one. So yeah, these kind of sound effects we can add more to enhance our creation. So for that, we're gonna jump to simply Google, and first of all, let's just go ahead and take a cat yawning sound effect. So I'm gonna type cat yawning sound effect. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna select that, and from here, I'm gonna jump into Pixabay, which is the best, royalty-free sound effect marketplace. So from here, I'm gonna download any yawning sound effect. Okay, let's just do that, and from here, I'm gonna go to uh, Google once again and write over here cat meow sound effect. Okay, I'm gonna do that as well and download one by one. And the next one, I'm gonna go ahead and do brushing the teeth sound effect. So I'm gonna write brushing teeth sound effect. Okay, I'm gonna download it from Pixabay as well. And then we're gonna do like watering the plant sound effect. I'm gonna simply type watering plant sound effect. All right, so just simply download it from Pixabay. And similarly, I'm gonna do that for all of the rest of the clips, like cat sleeping, eating popcorn, solving the puzzle, and sleeping again. All right, yes. So once all of my sound effects are downloaded, I'm gonna simply go ahead and drag and drop these into FlexClip as well. And from here, I'm gonna simply go ahead and add my sound effects in the audio section of FlexClip once again, you guys, right? All right, so once everything is done, this is how our timeline is gonna look like. And let's just go ahead and simply export this into the highest quality. Frame rate would be 60 FPS, and the quality would be high. Let's just export this, and let me show you the final output at the end. All right, so there you have it, guys. This was the easiest method, like a step-by-step whole complete course of how to create amazing orange cat TikToks very easily with the help of AI tools. I showed you every single step one by one with very easy methods. So yeah, I hope you like this video, guys. And if you do, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and I'll see you guys in some other one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.